In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a file in Hostinger step by step. Whether you're uploading an HTML website, a PHP file, images, PDFs, or even a full zip archive, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you're new to Hostinger or web hosting in general, don't worry, I'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to hostinger.com and sign in with your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites, and you'll see a list of your hosting plans and domains. Find the hosting plan where you want to upload your file and click on the Manage button next to it. This will open your hosting control panel. Now that you're inside your hosting management area, the next step is to open the File Manager. On the left-hand side menu, look for the Files option and click on it. Then select File Manager. This tool allows you to manage all the files that power your website directly from your browser without needing any extra software like FTP clients. Once the File Manager opens, you'll see a list of folders. In most cases, you'll want to open the public_HTML folder. This is the main root directory of your website. Any files you place inside public_HTML will be accessible from your domain name. So go ahead and double-click public_HTML to open it. Now let's upload your file. In the File Manager, look toward the top right corner and click on the Upload Files button. A window will appear allowing you to select files from your computer. Choose the file you want to upload and confirm. You'll see a progress indicator showing the upload status. Wait for the upload to finish completely before closing the window. You can upload many different types of files to Hostinger. This includes HTML and PHP files if you're building a website, zip files if you're uploading a full site package, PDF documents, images like JPEG and PNG, and other static assets such as CSS or JavaScript files. Just make sure your file size does not exceed your hosting plan's limits. If you uploaded a zip file, there's one extra step. After the upload finishes, locate the zip file inside the File Manager. Click on it once to select it, and then click the Extract option, usually found in the top menu. Confirm the extraction, and Hostinger will automatically unpack all the files into the current folder. After extraction, you should see all your website files appear inside public_HTML, or whichever directory you selected. Now let's quickly test your file. To access it online, open a new browser tab and type in your domain name. For example, if you uploaded an HTML file named index.html inside public_HTML, simply visiting yourdomain.com should display your website. If you uploaded another file, you can access it by typing yourdomain.com/the-file-name, like yourdomain.com/filename.html. And that's it. That's how you upload a file in Hostinger using the File Manager. Log in, go to Websites, click Manage, open File Manager, enter the public_HTML folder, upload your file, and extract it if needed. It's a quick and simple process once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hosting tutorials, website guides, and step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.